I've said this time and time again. Organizing is something that looks so easy, yet feels so hard. And even though it looks easy and it's a task that we feel that we should be able to do, a lot like cleaning. Cleaning is something that's relatively easy. I mean, we all know how to do that. But we tend to think because it's easy or it seems easy or it should be easy or it looks easy that then it doesn't matter or it doesn't matter that much. So if we've got a home that's full of stuff or we're unorganized, and being unorganized can mean many different things. You can be unorganized in your time, you can be unorganized in your finances, you can be unorganized in your physical home, in your car, in your desk, what have you. So organizing, while it may look and feel and seem easy, sometimes it's not, and it does matter. So if you can't seem to get it in gear and do it yourself, then that means it's time to call in help. And this is the part that most people stop. It's the guilt of asking for help for something that feels so easy. See where I'm going here? So organizing, it matters. It matters. It is so important. It's the structure in our home, in our calendar, in our bank account. The structure is the organizing, and that is the part that matters. When you get the structure and you get organized, then you can then go forward and have so much ease in your day, in your life, and in your home life with your kids, whether they're home or not. But without the structure, there is no plan. And without the plan, it's hard to focus. And without focus, you feel very disheveled. You don't feel easy. You feel, dis-ease, so to speak. So if you are thinking the holiday season is over and I am ready to organize my home and I should be able to do this, and I have tried time and time again and I just can't seem to get it in gear, call someone, call me, call another organizer. What you're looking to experience will depend on who you call, but someone like myself is really going to push you to the limit on those stories that you tell yourself about why you're keeping things. It's not, organizing is a way of life. It doesn't have anything to do with the bins and the baskets and the labels. That stuff is nice, but it's not necessary. So if you call someone who's really focused on that, you'll experience something a lot different than, say, if you call an organizing coach. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm an open book.